Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's all that jazz. We're on the road to 1K, so go ahead and join today by clicking that red subscribe button. I am bringing you a quick Sisterlocks morning routine, and that includes my whole morning routine. So first, I start off by washing my face with good old-fashioned fashion African soap because it's the only thing, or one of the few soaps that don't break out my face due to me having extra sensitive skin. And then I am using the Vanna cream to moisturize. And then let's get to this hair. So next, I'm going to just spray my hair. As you can see, I'm just focusing on like the ends of my hair. I'm not really like spraying my scalp and my roots and all that. I'm just trying to throw a little moisture, loosen them up real quick. And then I'm going to go in and moisturize my actual scalp. I don't do this every single day. It is a combination of oils, so I will do it at least 2 or 3 times a week. Maybe, but we gotta keep the scalp moisturized as much as possible. And if you watch my other Sisterlock videos, you can see that especially moisturizing the back and where the locks might be thinner and the edges with this oil will definitely help thicken up your locks. Well, it helped thicken up mine a little bit. I still have some that have broken off, but for the most part, they're all pretty healthy. I've had to have like some combined, but not too many on this lock journey. So that's all I'm doing for right now. Okay, then I'm gonna do my regular makeup. I'm gonna go in and do my eyebrows and then some foundation and concealer. If y'all seen my get ready with me, your girl always do the basics. One day I'll learn the more complex, but today we just hitting them with a conceal real quick, a little eyebrow draw on, a little, dabaroo of foundation, for the dark marks, for the under eye, so we can look awake, we can look alive, and then hit them with 2 mascaras, and that's it. And then my last and final step, putting on this mascara and then a second mascara because the second one just gives it a little bit of a little baby bit more volume. And once we do that, here I am. I'm trying to figure out what hairstyle I'm trying to do, y'all. I think I go about through 2 or 3 of them because I don't know why I was feeling so indecisive on my hairstyle today. Oh, probably because I was recording like 3 or 4 videos. So I was like, let me figure out what I really want to do with my hair and then want that one. And so I'm going through a couple of styles. Then once I find the one, I go on to batch recording for the day. Okay, so boom, I found it. This is the style I decided to go with. Pretty quick and easy, as most of them are. And then I'm going to I put a bobby pin in there already. Make sure it's not looking too crazy. And then I am just going to put on my earrings and a necklace, and then I'm done. So stay tuned for the other videos that I have coming up soon. And if you're still here and you haven't hit that subscribe button, it's okay. I'm here to remind you to click that red subscribe button, like this video, comment below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.